Hello.
Krishnaraj, yes, tell me.
Yes, sir. Sir, you might have received an authentication code.
Oh, you sent it? Okay. On my email? On my email or WhatsApp? Yeah, so you sent it by email or WhatsApp?
Normal text. On the same number you might have received it, sir.
Text, is it like SMS?
Yeah, SMS, sir.
Okay, I'll check. So what is that authentication code?
It just confirms your video presentation, sir. It is a system generated code. That is why it would directly come to you.
Okay, I'll check. Yeah, sure. Amol.
Hello.
Hi.
Yes,
Amol.
sir. Hi.
Okay, this part is beginning to confuse me now. Okay.
Uh-huh.
I have just nearly escaped getting scammed by people who say, "अरे मेरा आपके phone पे OTP आया होगा, just read me the code."
Yes.
You know it's a regular scamming method, right?
Yes.
आपके फोन पे OTP आया है, जरा बता दो ना आपका ये OTP क्या है. Now I don't know by what means they take control of your bank accounts and all that. Okay.
Okay. Sir,
now
a
just
small
a
question.
Hear me out. Now you are sending me an OTP. Now what are we basically looking at? You want to give me information about your project, Lodha Sterling.
Correct.
Basically, that is the whole thing. You are approaching me.
Yes.
Now, why the hell do you send me these OTPs which I have to share to you and all that? You know you have reached me on my phone. I have called you on the same phone. So, why the hell do you need me to share an OTP? I don't get this.
So that the developer, as in the sales manager and the team, gets a confirmation for the video presentation.
No, for the confirmation, it's my word for it. No, you are telling me I'll be available. Now, what is this OTP business here?
So the only thing is, like, it is a small formality of form filling. When we are not asking your Aadhaar card, PAN card or anything.
I don't care. I don't care. My PAN and Aadhaar, for all you know, is already available with you for the asking here. Aadhaar has not been as secure and banks have not been as secure with our details.
So that is why I told you, sir.
You guys, it is known that Lodha has a very close relationship with HDFC. Okay, so if I'm an HDFC holder, you probably have access to my account details. And a lot of more stuff than you I am comfortable with. Now you send me an OTP to my phone. I just don't understand this. You are sending me an OTP and then you are saying I will send you our portal link. You yourself fill it in if you want, etc. So you will send me a portal link, but the Lodha portal is again going to ask me for this link, right, which you sent me, or a code that you sent to my phone. Now
it is directly the system generated. So once you click generate an authentication code, okay, over here nowhere it's like we have your bank details or anything like that.
Bro, what is this thing of authentication code? I don't understand. You are there to sell a flat. You want to give me information. Now, why are you making it look like you are getting into a transaction which is a lot deeper than that? What is OTP for?
That's what I'm saying, sir. It is not as such an OTP or something like that.
It is an OTP, it's a code and you are saying it will expire. So that is by definition that's an OTP. Code, you are calling it a code. It's an OTP, right? It's a 4-digit number which you have sent me. It has come to me from Lodha portal.
Correct.
But why? Just explain the logic of it to me first. Why are you making me do this, jumping through hoops?
See, sir, it is not just we ask only you. We are not asking only you.
You are asking everybody. You may be screwing everybody, but I don't want to get screwed here. You may be screwing everybody and you may be in the habit of screwing everybody, bro.
Sir,
that doesn't mean that I have to sit there and lower my pants for you. No. Tell me what is this OTP business?
Sir, that's what I am saying. It is just a tagging. That so and
what
so.
What is tagging?
So that if I am in conversation with you, okay, so you as a client is getting tagged with my name, okay, with my name and along with the name of the sales manager. So that is why I am saying once you get the link, once you enter into the link, you will get to see that you have to fill your name, then date of birth, your email ID, what sort of occupation you are going through.
Why should I give you all those details, my friend? Why should I be giving you all those details Why should I be describing myself to you when you have approached me and you are trying to sell something to me?
Sir, this is
My
the
occupation. No. Your system may be fine. You have not created the system. Obviously, Lodha has created the system. But why
Yes,
am I being
exactly.
subjected to Lodha's system?
Sir, it is not just we as a developer. Wherever you go, even if you are going.
No, untrue. I have answered Zoom calls. I have taken Zoom calls with developers, and they just send me a Zoom link. Lodha is the only one who expects me to. Yes, absolutely, directly. Just like I sent somebody else a Zoom link.
So it is just now while you are taking the video presentation, right, sir?
Yeah.
If this COVID wasn't there, if you had gone directly for the site visit, they asked you to fill a form, right? Your name, your occupation.
That's also an issue. They make you fill up a form. They make you fill up a form. They even make you in your form. They will even say which model car you are driving and all that. What are you presently staying in? Is it an owned house or a tenanted house? They make you fill up a lot. Which is also an issue.
That's what I'm saying, sir. This is the standard which every developer does that.
Yeah, but here you are making me give you an OTP on the phone. Why?
It is nowhere connected to your bank details or anything.
How do I know that?
Sir, what I'm saying, if at all it is a fraud, okay, I am giving you my details. You take down my details if you want.
Yeah, and then suppose you received a call from me.
You can catch off me. You can catch hold of me.
Catch hold of you, boss. You are just a caller, right? What is catch hold of me? You are a sales guy. You are a caller.
Fine.
You are not Lodha. You are not the company.
If I am the caller, sir, I'll share you the ID contact number of my sales manager. He would be there present at the site. You can directly have a word if you want with him.
You tell me what is this OTP system business? Tell someone to send me on an email why I am required to share either OTP or what is this whole portal link business. A Zoom call is a simple Zoom call. Anyone can get into a Zoom call with anyone else. Why are you guys making it more of a deal?
That's what I'm saying, sir. It is nowhere connected to your bank details.
How do I know that?
Sir, if at all it is connected to your bank details, like once you give us the OTP, the transaction will get done.
Exactly.
Then a fraud.
After one gets screwed, then afterwards we try to recover our amount. Right?
Sir, you can record this call. You can do that's what I'm saying. If you want, I will share you the.
It's basically unhygienic for anybody to share an OTP which comes on the phone unless it is something that we have ourselves initiated. Yes, I have not initiated it. You have initiated it. Why are you initiating it?
So that is why I'm saying, sir, if you are saying I am initiating it, you initiate it, you would receive it, a code.
No, but it will be coming from Lodha. Again, what I am getting into my transaction with Lodha is currently only understanding the details of your project called Sterling, for which you have contacted me. Why would I be having to initiate anything more than that? Okay, you send me your portal link. Let me take a look at what your portal link wants me to fill.
Yeah, exactly. You have a look, na, sir. I'm not saying, have a look. You'll understand.
Yes, sure. Send it. Hi, Amog. Yeah, so I clicked on that link and I got to your screen. Welcome to customer authentication process. Please verify your mobile number by providing authentication code. My mobile number appears and it says generate authentication code. So I know that I'm going to go down the same loop. If I click on this, I'm going to get a code which I have to authenticate. Okay. Now, I just find this weird because even if I phone the police station or even the police commissioner's office, I'm not going to be going through all these hoops. The police takes my word for it. Now, this authentication code business only happens if I go on Prime Minister's portal and I try to enter a grievance or something on Prime Minister's portal or give a suggestion to Pradhan Mantri, तब जाके मुझे authentication code आता है from a gov.in address. Now that I can take. From lodhagroup.in address, I am getting an authentication code, bro. I am sorry. Okay, I don't understand this. I am not going to pretend to understand this. But what I don't understand makes me very uncomfortable.
Okay? I agree.
It's just
and
making me very uncomfortable.
There are many clients who feel the same. It's nowhere wrong, sir. But I would just like to ask you one simple question. Like, which mobile phone are you using?
The same one, Vodafone. You got my number correct.
Mobile, cell phone. Which cell phone are you using?
It's a smartphone.
Is it a OS or Android? Sorry?
Chalo. Anyway, it's a smartphone. So?
मतलब iOS है कि Android है सर?
Android है.
सर कैसे है iOS अगर आप यूज करते रहते हैं तो अगर ये कोई फ्रॉड लिंक रहती थी तो ये ओपन होती भी नहीं और दूसरी बात अगर आपके पास लाइक 2 कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स है राइट
या
आर योर बोथ कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स इंटरलिंक्ड टू द बैंक अकाउंट
मोर और लेस आई शुड थिंक
so if at all your other contact number is not connected to any of the bank details then so you would feel safe.
No, regardless. What am I jumping through hoops? You are trying to sell something to me. Let's be very clear.
Yes.
I have not approached Lodha on my knees saying, please give me a flat. Okay?
I agree, sir.
Now, I am not an applicant for a MADA flat. Let us be very clear. This is not the process of applying for a MADA flat. Okay? Where I am getting something very cheap and therefore I will jump through hoops.
Correct.
I am not applying even. I am not applying. What has happened here is you guys called me. Okay. Now it is prove who you are and all that kind of thing. I have not gotten a scrap of useful information from Lodha yet in writing. Okay. I asked you for that screenshot of the contract. You didn't say the agreement. You have not yet sent it to me, and you probably won't. You probably will not because you are going to go through your process.
I told you that we would not do it. I would show you at the time of video presentation.
Fine, fair enough. Now, so you want me to climb through a hoop and do this generate authentication code. Now, you can check your phone and you can see that I am calling you. And you can check what number it is and you can verify that it is the same number which we are talking about.
Correct.
Okay. Having done all that, this generate authentication code thing is a deeply suspicious kind of way of dealing with a client. With not even a client, with a potential client.
I agree, sir. I completely understand. It is just like what it has happened. Like previously, we used to do the same thing, like filling the form through the paper. So just reducing the paper.
Then if you have been doing that, by the way, just previously you used to do the same thing के बारे में बोलना है तो ऐसा है कि about 2 years ago, I came to Lodha Sterling. Okay. And I filled out a form which had this number and conspicuously it did not have the other number. And guess what happened? I started receiving calls from any number of builders whom I had not contacted. Okay. And they got into, sir, are you looking for such and such a property in Thane area?
This happens. I'll explain you like how it happens. I will tell you. So, while looking for any sort of property, it is like if at all I am entering my contact number on any of the websites, such as Magic Bricks, 99 Acres, or any regarding to any of the real estate.
I have not done any of that. I had come to Sterling very specifically. I had come to Sterling very specifically. Okay, I sat there in your clubhouse and I enjoyed some wonderful dessert and all that. And had a conversation with your so-called closing manager. And before that, they gave me a form which was again put into a very nice, it looked like a book and all that. And I filled it out. It's a beautiful thing. But the end of the day, that form probably, I have reason to believe. Okay, now I cannot say it with any kind of certainty. But I have reason to believe that from that form which I signed up on, any number of other builders now have my number and they call me. When I reach out to a builder, that is one thing. When I make an inquiry, that is one thing. But I get a number of unsolicited calls. Okay. Which I can only connect to that experience and I am connecting it to that because I had very conspicuously not filled out the other number.
Okay.
and I keep getting this. So what I'm trying to say here is I don't know what is your customer authentication process and what it's leading to, but it is completely unnecessary. You please give feedback to your people. It's a very
Sure.
suspicious way of doing things.
So there are
See,
many
if at your
clients
gate,
who feel uncomfortable.
exactly.
But the only thing is like, just because I'm asking you over a call, that is why you are feeling uncomfortable. But if you would have come at the site, you would have.
I would not have done an authentication code business where I would
I
not have had
agree.
an OTP. I wouldn't have had an OTP, right?
I agree, sir. There are like hostesses who comes and they receive you at the gate. Okay, they escort you to the sales office. Later on, they have their iPad. Correct.
Yeah.
On their iPad, they put your mobile number. They put up the contact number. Once they put up the contact number, you receive a code. Okay. Once you receive the code, the same hostess asks you, sir, could you please help me with the code which you have received? Okay. The only thing is like the things happen in front of you.
Maybe so. Maybe so.
That is why
maybe when my guard is down, I may even read that guy the code. Okay. So when my guard is down, I may do a lot of stupid things, and I may have done a lot of stupid things in my life. But that doesn't reduce the stupidity quotient of it. Nah.
I agree,
still is a very stupid thing to do.
That is why I told you, sir. If you don't believe me, if you don't trust me, I have no problems with it. If you are comfortable to come directly on the site...
Are you trusting me? Now, just a second. Are you trusting me? Tell me this. Are you trusting me?
Trusting on what, sir?
Exactly. So, I am asking you also. You said trust me, so I will also say trusting on what? Now, you also...
the same thing, na?
Yeah, so what are we trusting each other on? You are selling me. You are basically doing your job by selling me something. You want to give me information on something, your project.
Yes.
You are selling. You are reaching a sales target or a whatever target. Right?
Correct.
You are going towards the target. Okay, so I am possibly part of the target clientele or whatever on whatever basis. Now you have called me, you have spoken to me on my mobile number. You know what my mobile number is. I have called you back on that mobile number. You have WhatsApped me on that mobile number. That mobile number, as far as you are concerned and I am concerned, is authentic.
Correct.
Now, along comes this code, which you are calling authentication code, which is the exact same thing as a one-time code, OTP. Why?
Sir, that's what I'm just trying to explain you. This is just a tagging system, nothing else. That so-and-so client is being tagged to so-and-so closing manager as well as the sales manager.
Suppose I generate an authentication code and I feed it back. You mean to say it will tag me to you?
Yes, that's it. Nothing else. It is not connected at all to any of your bank details or anything like that.
So this is for the purpose of tagging me to you for the purpose of your commission.
It's not my commission, sir. It is like at the end, like sales manager. Like above me,
tagging
there is a
me
sales
to you
manager.
For what purpose? You tell me that.
Sir, my name won't be coming anywhere. It would be my sales manager's name who would be in the form.
So how is he getting tagged to me?
Because he would be coming and he would be looking after the entire thing. After showing you the sample flats and everything, he would be only looking after you, sir.
You sent me this link. This link is system generated. You sent it to me. Correct?
Correct.
Now,
Correct.
You sent me this link. In what way is this identifying me with anyone, including you or your sales manager?
And that's what I'm saying. It is like every sales manager has a authentication code.
You're working for a specific sales manager?
Yes, sir. Madhusudan Reddy.
So, this OTP is generated, is specific to Madhusudan Reddy, is it?
Yes. And he would be the one who would be present on the site. He would be one who would be looking you after, he would be showing you the project. He would be the one who would appoint and closing manager for you, sir. Everything. He would be the one who would help you with the pricing, cost price, everything. Even at the time of negotiation, he would be the one person sitting on the table and discussing everything.
Is he a Lodha employee or is he a channel partner?
He's a Lodha employee. I can show you his employee code, everything.
No problem. But if he contacts me, isn't he getting himself tagged with me? Madhusudan Reddy contacts me.
हाँ.
He will get himself tagged with me, no?
Yes.
Then what is this authentication code part?
Just that this so and so client is getting tagged with you.
No. I am not seeing Madhusudan Reddy here anywhere. Before, when I go to this portal, which by the way refuses to give me any information, my account, I don't want a my account. Okay, myaccount.lodhagroup.in /s/evisit. The moment you sent me a link, it is trying to open a my account in Lodha. I am not interested in having a my account inside Lodha. I want
your
my information.
Account won't be there, nothing. It is just like we would have a bio data, that's it. Like you can say, like sort of a details, like your email ID, like your date of birth, what sort of configuration you are looking for, what is the position desired you are looking for. And on the second page, you would see like Madhusudan Reddy's name coming, site sourcing. This is the format, nothing else. That's what I'm saying.
No, but that is what you are telling me. That's what you are telling me on the phone. Now this portal refuses to give me any information before I go further.
Correct.
Okay.
It is everywhere. It is the same thing, sir. That's what I'm explaining you.
It is not the same thing.
The only thing is like everywhere it is just a form filling. Over here it is we are doing digitally. Nothing else.
No, this authentication code is making me very jumpy, boss.
That's
this
what
OTP
I'm saying,
is making me very jumpy. What is
I agree. That is what I'm saying. Even if you come at the site visit, this is the same procedure which is going to happen.
Good to know in advance. Good to know in advance. If a lady steps into your premises, it will be good to know in advance whether your guard will say, ma'am, are you wearing a bra or not? You know, the answer would be, of course, none of your business. Now, why the hell are you trying to authenticate my number? I don't get it.
That's what I'm trying to make you understand. Nowhere connection to your bank details or anything like that.
I don't care. If somebody sends you an OTP and you say, yes, this is my OTP, presumably it is an important transaction. That is the only time you get into OTPs.
Sir,
okay, you get into OTPs when you are trying to change your Aadhaar number, if you are doing, some of these
it is nothing like that. Nothing like that in today's time.
Passwords and pins and all.
That's what I'm saying.
OTP business?
We don't have even your bank details. Like, how would we even ask for like?
How do I know you don't have my bank details? Yeah, for all you know, you guys are buddies. You're great pals with HDFC Bank. Come on.
No,
your guys are probably sitting inside HDFC Bank, and HDFC Bank guys are probably sitting in Lodha office.
Yeah. That's what I'm saying.
Your study buddies here. You got your hands in each other's studies here. The hell you don't know? You're telling me you don't know my bank details. How do I know? And
that is what I'm saying. That is why I'm trying to make you understand. Like anywhere you go, like even if I'm asking you, like you come to the sales office site, okay, in front of you there is an iPad. There is the same portal which is going to get opened.
Look, if I'm off guard and I give someone an OTP, I may give someone an OTP if I'm off guard. Or if I come to some place or ekdam sankoch mein aake, I may give someone an OTP. Out of weakness, because I have landed up there and they will say, sir, if you want to proceed, the only way is to give an OTP. Sankoch mein aake main kar bhi dalta hu. Admit it, agree, that is weakness.
वही बोल रहा हूँ आपको.
उसको weakness बोलते हैं.
It is nowhere a weakness, nothing. मैं वही आपको समझा रहा हूँ कि आपका मेरे को ऐसा कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर दीजिए जो कोई भी बैंक डिटेल्स के साथ नहीं लिंक्ड है. I'll make sure I will show you that.
OTP की जरूरत नहीं. मेरा दूसरा नंबर में वो ठीक है, but OTP for all I know, I may have linked it also. So question now is,
आप चाहिए तो मेरे को ऐसा नंबर दे दीजिए, उसका कोई भी आपका बैंक के साथ कोई भी ताल्लुक नहीं है. आपको समझ में
नहीं, लेकिन OTP का मतलब हमारा मेरे समझ में ये नहीं आया. What functional process is it doing?
आजकल like while we are getting digitalized, it is like getting likewise. वैसे हो रहा है, सिस्टम बना रहे हैं लोग. तो मैं आपको वही बोल रहा हूँ कि लाइक इसका कुछ भी रिलेशन नहीं है आपके बैंक डिटेल्स के साथ.
I am not comfortable.
Your choice, your call, sir.
You guys are not even comfortable sharing an agreement which I am supposed to
right
sign.
Away. I will share it to you right away. Then if you feel कि like बाबा finally कुछ तो लग रहा है आपको trustworthy, then ठीक है. or let's leave it.
Yeah,
because you're not even trying to like from when I'm explaining you only one thing.
Yes, I agree. That is the one thing that's the sticking point here.
That is what I'm saying. मेरे को एक बताइए ना कि मेरे को आपको प्रॉपर्टी बेचना है कि आपको ये सब बताते बैठना है सर?
आप बट प्रॉपर्टी पे रखो ना, ये ऑथेंटिकेशन कोड क्या है, प्रॉपर्टी पे रहो
तो
ना।
ये प्रोसीड करने के लिए है सर।
मुंबई पुलिस मुझसे मांग नहीं रहा है, आप लोग कैसे मांग रहे हो?
तो
इफ आई फोन 100 दे डोंट से वेट एंटर
आपको ट्रांजैक्शन करना है कुछ? मुंबई पुलिस के साथ आपका कुछ ताल्लुक है?
मुझे ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं करना है फिलहाल,
तो छोड़ दीजिए, बात खत्म हो गई सर।
हाँ, खत्म हो गई।
वही बोल रहे हैं। हाँ, छोड़ दीजिए।
you guys are getting way deeper than you should be.
हम लोग को लेना देना ही नहीं है आपके डीपर, क्या किधर डीपर जाए हम लोग, नेसेसरी नहीं है ना।
एग्जैक्टली, आप लोगों को लेना देना ही नहीं है, यू आर सेलिंग। सो व्हाई आर यू ऑथेंटिकेटिंग? व्हाट इज दिस ऑथेंटिकेशन बिजनेस?
ऑथेंटिकेशन बिजनेस है ही नहीं सर यहाँ पर, ठीक है? ऑथेंटिकेशन बिजनेस नहीं है, इट इज जस्ट अ कंफर्मेशन, दैट्स इट।
व्हाट कंफर्मेशन?
हो गया उतना।
चलो बाय।
हाँ।